As a reputable and trustful inspection and QA service provider driven by visionary goals and missions, TradeAider's core strengths comprise the founder's dedication and extensive experience in global trade and manufacturing, and the vast network of over 80,000 quality control specialists worldwide throughout the production cycle, assisted by the creative TradeAider App, to ensure the successful quality assurance for any service orders placed by clients with TradeAider. What the advantages are. 1. Based on a large and professional QC team and the 14 years service experience, TradeAider can provide inspection and QA services for all the products. 2. TradeAider's inspection and QA services are widely recognized and appreciated in the industry, including by Amazon. 3. TradeAider is the only service provider which allows buyers to monitor inspections. 4. TradeAider is the only service provider which contains the on-site inspection video in their inspection reports. 5. TradeAider is the only service provider which submits the inspection reports both online and offline, including all inspection media. 6. TradeAider is the only service provider which make data safekeeping of official inspection records blockchained and publicly notarized for integrity and legal validity. 7. Last but not least, due to the digital excellence mentioned above, TradeAider is once again the only service provider which can provide big data analysis for buyers as an integrated part of the inspection report.